Feeling stuck in the job market? According to the Office for National Statistics, 1 in 3 university graduates are overqualified for their current job. Many spend 3 to 4 years and over £30,000 on a degree, yet still struggle to find meaningful employment. Why? Because they lack practical skills. The reality: traditional university programs are loaded with theories and principles. Meanwhile, cutting-edge technologies like AI, machine learning, and OCR are revolutionizing the industry. The result? A gap between education and real-world needs. The solution? TaxCare Academy bridges this gap. Our affordable, practical online accounting courses are designed to give you the hands-on skills that employers crave. We bring accounting theories to life, making you job-ready from day one. Why choose TaxCare Academy? Affordable learning, get high-quality education without the hefty price tag. Practical skills, real-world training employers are desperately seeking. Stay current. Courses crafted around the latest industry technologies. Flexible and practical. All courses are designed with a flexible, practical approach based on real job simulations. From basic to advanced, our training programs cover all levels of bookkeeping and accounting. You'll receive certificates from TaxCare Academy and leading software providers like Xero and QuickBooks. Earn CPD points, boost your credentials, and get continuous support including CV help, job hunting tips, and interview preparation. Don't let outdated education hold you back. Join TaxCare Academy and take the first step towards a successful, fulfilling career in accounting and bookkeeping. Enroll our accounting courses and become a pro accountant in the UK. Visit our website for more information and enroll today to transform your future.